Now, I feel a sneeze coming on now. If I press this point, it'll stabilize that tingly that makes me want to sneeze. Normally, if I didn't know this point, I would have been sneezing. And I've had hay fever before. This is a very good point for hay fever. Now, this came up spontaneously right this minute. Might have been a little particle, a dust particle or something like that. Or some kind of substance in the air that I'm allergic to. I really don't know. But this point helps to stabilize my body. So if a person ever needs stability, use this point. If you're feeling faint, you need stability, right? No matter if you're young or you're old. If you're about to faint or lose consciousness, you want to use this point. It's a first aid point. And you're pressing into the gum. You want to remind yourself, you want to go into the gum slowly but firmly. Good. These are good things to know. Now, this is true if somebody is ungrounded. They need stability. Let's say if they're insecure, they need stability. Let's say if the person is frazzled due to stress, due to conflict in their life, they need stability. So you can do this on yourself.